Hello guys, so today we'll be doing an unboxing video, and it's like mascot, I don't know, but yeah, and this is just a reminder, I'm not bragging or anything, this is just like kind of, I don't know, yeah, but yeah, let's get on with the video. So this LPS is from lpsloverQA or whatever this is from, I don't know, but yeah. So this is the LPS, but right now we're just gonna go on with the accessories. So this is a little skirt for her to wear, yeah, and then this is a little bow for them to wear, and then oh wait, this looks like the original necklace from Hasbro, but yeah, this is a necklace for them to wear, or a collar, either way you say it. And this is a little bowl, and now last but not least is the LPS. Let's go, you know, open her up. Oop. Trying not to cut her open. Okay. Ooh, blah, is my favorite. And here we have her. She is very pretty. And yeah, this is gonna be my mascot, but oh. She has a very nice bobble. But yeah, she's very unique too though, like all the, because not all of the other LPS are like these. Here, let me get a regular LPS and combine it with her. Okay, here we have like a regular LPS. This is like a skunk, I think, but yeah. And yeah, she has a really nice bobble, and this one just, but yeah. So that is it for the video, and yeah. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, never miss a video. Peace.